it is a CAF Champions League between Mamelodi Sundowns and Al Hilal. So yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns 2 and Al Hilal 2. So this was the match that was supposed to be actually be won available by Inter Mamelodi Sundowns, because first of all they are playing at home, and second of all they played a very beautiful football. It is just a thing they didn't convert the chances that they had. And to Al Hilal, I'll just love to say like this is the match which it is beautiful from their side also, and it is the result that they'll be graceful with available at all. So to them it was a thing it was a game plan about this. This is what happens when like a game plan of a coach available reflect on the field. So it was a thing they were supposed to play very low block and try to counter them with like Amanto counter attacks available when Mamelodi Sundowns actually loses the ball, and that is what they actually did very well, and which is why they even had a chance to actually score their first goal, and they didn't waste any chances. They even got 2 shots on target on this match, and they made sure like they used both of them. So yeah, image very available, and Mamelodi Sundowns, it is keeping on rotating the ball, dominating the match, trying to find that pass. But the thing is that already Al Hilal, it was playing with like 5 defenders at the back, judging from the information starting a lineup, and they were having 5 defenders and 4 midfielders and 1 striker, which means they were trying to make sure Mamelodi Sundowns doesn't become able to penetrate about those short spaces, and then they did so, but Mamelodi Sundowns was still able to actually do that, but it was hard for them to actually find the final product. And then after about 15 minutes of Mamelodi Sundowns dominating, trying over and over again to score, they just got a chance to do a counter attack available, and it was just an individual brilliance from Inter. One of their wingers, I think it was Oruf, or I'm not sure, but the winger that actually assisted the first goal available, it was just beautiful individual brilliance, and then he was able to take on Santos and the other player Mamelodi Sundowns. And by that time I was like, okay, first of all Santos was supposed to actually do better, because first of all he's an attacking player available, and he was supposed to take one for the team, because it is not a thing he will be put under pressure will have to a yellow card anytime soon, but he didn't do enough on that position and gave that guy the highlight of like his game, and then he was able to actually jump available, and they just took the chance, which is what Mamelodi Sundowns on this game actually failed to do. With every chance that you get available, you are supposed to actually execute it. And then after that it was just 1-0, and then I saw good game after that the tempo of the game actually changed available. It was a thing with Mamelodi Sundowns, they were not rotating the ball like my ball rotates, or Mapes Balisa available a move and stuff, and it was a thing they were supposed to actually attack again. And Santos, the player that he is available, he just gave the pass, and that was an unexpected pass. Well, I didn't know how did he even see that he gave the passes to the one and only Usiel's end. What a beautiful goal for Unto Aita Sales available, the number 9 of Mamelodi Sundowns, like first touch first of all, and then was able to just pass the net on that position. You don't need to actually shoot with it like a power. It is a thing which already like your first touch about you've like a keep available to go to the other side, and then you just do your thing. And then the match was just 1-1 available, and then after that it was a thing your good team, it is back to the level your good team. Mamelodi Sundowns will be trying to rotate the ball over and over again, and then try to get to those chances, and then they don't actually execute them, one thing over and over again for the whole first half. And there's also another thing that I want to speak about. There was this kid available actually had like a debut during this week. Actually had like debut during this week, which is UCB available. So UCB again, I would love to say good team, the boy he's really quite okay during the week available. He actually had like a good game, but today I felt like he was delaying most of like ama passes available, because it was a thing which he will get the ball at the width about side, left hand side, and then when he's supposed to cross, he takes time which available I'll be like the first touch and also like to actually cross, and then after that he'll be forced to pass the ball backward, which and the other side what was actually being done by Muta for actually crossing those balls available inside to cause problem. He wasn't actually doing that, so like today it was a thing which it was costing the team with that, and I hope it's like going forward he'll be trying to improve on that. He is still a youngster and we're still gonna see a lot from him. And then yeah, let's get to the second half. And then in the second half it was pretty much same thing until they made available. It was pretty much the same thing until there was that deflection, and then there was that cross, and then which ended up getting Batema defender getting up to Umukwena, and Umukwena Umrembula, as we all know, like of equality with like a long shoot and stuff, and he just did what is best at available. Umrembula, which is the guy that is actually birthday tomorrow, by the way, and I'm also birthday, so it will be grateful if like you actually subscribe as me and Umrembula are growing up. So yeah, he actually got available a pre-gift for like Hinto his day tomorrow. Just wanted to mention that. And yeah, Umrembula is our same Umrembula, being the guy that he is available, finished that very beautiful top of the corner available, and then the score was just 2-1 after creating so many chances available with the Sundowns. And then again Al Hilali doing what the coach actually like executed like a game plan of like a coach job the way he wanted to really being a corner available, because again they got an opportunity and then they just finished it. They didn't take time which like was missed or anything, and this is one of the things that you'll be facing as like the team that's actually better than another, which like you'll be more of dominating the match, you'll be creating more opportunities amaning, but it happens on football that sometimes you become like unlikely to convert, and then this is what they hit you with, not once but twice on this match. So Al Hilali took an opportunity, and all of the goals that we actually witnessed today, I just want to say, it was like the quality goals. It wasn't a thing it was back tap in and stuff. This is what like the differentiator like it Champions League to CAF Champions League to from the rest. And the thing is that you don't need vela goals vela maning vela but CAF vela since you just need to get that critical goal and just be aggressive, and that is what actually happened today. And then after some time there was a red card available, and then it was a yellow card actually, but the thing is that available so yellow because a yellow card already this other guy, and then after that it was ended up being a red card. And on the man of the match, I'll actually give it to Nuno Santos because he had like a beautiful game, and also his strikers Mamelodi Sundowns Leon actually got another chance today to be actually being introduced, and then he got a chance and then he didn't finish it, but we hope we're gonna be seeing a lot from him. And yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns are at the top of like their group stages, and I hope it's like their progress and stuff. And I'm gonna be seeing you all tomorrow on my birthday. I hope Cocoon is making my day. I'm kidding, but it is crazy also to like Mamelodi Sundowns idlala like amagame like amangaka, while iPirates inamagame alesi kube kwinto they are not even participating very only CAF available. But that is another story for another day, and it's Cocoon during the week. Let's see what is happening on the next video. Thank you.